Allrecipes member Gregory, who submitted the recipe for chicken Alfredo with fettuccine noodles, says, "This is my favorite recipe. It features the great taste of Alfredo sauce with ricotta cheese in it." First, cut 1 pound of skinless, boneless chicken breasts into cubes. Set the cube chicken to the side. Wash your hands thoroughly. Now bring a large pot of salted water to a boil for the pasta. Place a large skillet over medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the chicken and sauté it until it's fully cooked or no longer pink in the middle. Next, let's make the sauce. Set a large saucepan over medium heat. Add 1 cup plus 6 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 16-ounce containers of whole milk ricotta cheese, 1 pint of heavy cream, one cup of the grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Cook the sauce for about 10 minutes or until it's heated through. While the sauce cooks, add 1 pound of fettuccine to the boiling water. Cook the fettuccine for 8 to 10 minutes or until al dente. Drain the fettuccine. Now, add the fettuccine and chicken to the sauce. Stir the fettuccine, chicken, and sauce and cook until it's heated through. Garnish it with grated Parmesan and fresh chopped parsley. This recipe makes a wonderful meal, especially when served with a garden or tomato salad. Chicken Alfredo with fettuccine noodles.